Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we turn complex tools into simple, step-by-step guides you can actually use. In today's video, we are diving into ProtoPie, one of the most powerful tools for creating interactive prototypes without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a UX designer, developer, or product manager, and if you've ever wanted to build high-fidelity, realistic app prototypes that feel like the real thing, ProtoPie might just be your new best friend. From triggers and responses to sensors and conditions, we will show you how to bring your design ideas to life quickly, smoothly, and with zero guesswork. So, if you are ready to level up your prototyping game, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of ProtoPie. On the top corner, you have an option to talk to sales if you wanted to have a quick demo. But of course, the better option is to click the Get Started for free. All you have to do is provide all the information needed, and to make the account creation a lot faster and easier, you can continue with your Google account and of course with your Apple, and then you will be forwarded to the main homepage of the ProtoPie platform. So as you may notice, it's clean and it doesn't have anything so much around in the platform. It's a very straightforward. And on the left side, you would see the pies. So if you click on it, these are going to be your prototypes, the actual projects or files you can create in ProtoPie. Essentially, each pie represents an interactive prototype that you design, animate, which you can recognize them by name. Alright? Team or date modified. Now later on, we're going to discuss more about the pies, but for now, I'm going to hover to the libraries. These are going to be the collection of reusable components or assets like, buttons, interactions that you or your team can share and reuse across multiple pies. This helps maintain consistency and saves time when working on design systems or recurring UI patterns. There is going to be the Create New Team, which is part of the My Space. So the team space is a shared workspace where team members can collaborate. This one right here, okay? Including all team projects if you have libraries and assets in one centralized location. I find it very useful for real-time collaboration if you're working with team members, with your client, access control, and organizing work across different departments. Of course, the Create a New Team, if you click on the plus button, will allow you to set up a new team workspace within ProtoPie. So in my case, I'm gonna be type it here, okay, and I'm gonna click on the Create button. This is ideal for agencies or companies or departments working on a separate sets of prototypes. Because for once you have created, you can invite members, assign roles, and manage access levels. Now, if you wanted to invite new members, it's very easy. All I have to do is provide the email address. In my case, I'm going to be putting in a different email here. And then you need to select the role. If it's going to be a viewer, wherein they can only view prototypes and leave comments, or an editor. Same as the viewer and create more upload prototypes, all right? And then all I'm going to do is click on the Save button. Now, here is going to be the cloud storage. The cloud storage is going to be your overall quota here in ProtoPie Cloud. It tracks how much cloud space your account or team is using in like each plan for. We're currently working with the free plan. So if you're on the pro plan, team plan comes with a set amount of cloud storage, which includes pies, libraries, and uploaded assets. Now, essentially, that's going to be the ProtoPie Cloud version. I'm going to go to the Download Section Studio. That's going to be a separate application that needs to be installed in your computer, all right? Now, once you have successfully installed the ProtoPie on your computer, click the Finish button, all right? This is going to be the main highlight of the platform. Now, once you have installed the ProtoPie app, it would ask you to log in using your credentials. And from here, just click the Open ProtoPie. Okay, it will forward you to the main platform itself. Now, as you can see, what we can do is going to be having the dashboard. In the left side, we have the interaction templates, prototype gallery, and the quick start courses. But what I'm going to do is click the interaction templates, because from here you can choose so many options. So we're not going to be having to start from scratch, especially if we are very new to ProtoPie. So you can use from any of the following: audio, videos, camera app, component overrides, music player slider, draggable drawer, responsive layout, and a lot more. You can scroll through all the templates that you think would be the best way to begin your work. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing the audio videos here. You will be forwarded. You see, there's going to be steps 1 out of 6. All right. So loading times may vary. So at this point, if you're having issues opening the ProtoPie account, you might want to use a VPN, because ProtoPie is employing a thing called geo restriction on specific location or region. If in case you cannot open the ProtoPie application on your computer, you might want to check the firewalls setting to allow access to the ProtoPie. And as you can see, it's been loaded already. And on this side, you can add more options here. You can import any media, shape, and text. What I'm going to do is upload my own brand and logo. By clicking here, you have image, video, audio, camera, and a lot more. I'm going to click the image. And then after that, you click the run button to make sure that everything runs smoothly. All right. So this works with iPhone 11 Pro or X. Right. You can add more text here. Right here. So it's going to add some text if you wanted. And then after that, if you click the run, just making sure that everything runs smoothly. All right. So you have now the option to click the preview button. All right. So we have all of these for us. It's very responsive. It's a slick in design, and you can also add a trigger somewhere around here. Right. You can also change the background if you want. Say, for example, we're going to be choosing this instead. And then we have all of these layers for you. QR code, toolbar, QR message right here. The moment you hover your cursor here, it automatically reflects on the display. All right. Right here, dim and header. We also have the description if you wanted. If you want that, you can also edit all the things here. Once you have finalized all of the elements, just go to the top left hamburger menu. I want you to click the file and click the save as or export as new library. And with that being said, and that wraps up our dive into ProtoPie. It's a game changer for high fidelity interactive design because it bridges the gap between design and development flawlessly. And whether you're presenting to stakeholders or testing real-world usability, it's a tool worth mastering because it gives you advanced control without needing to code, from smart components to cross-device testing. It's built for professionals who demand realism in their prototypes. Again, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial from our channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and again, happy prototyping.